Today is September 10th, 2020, and as per tradition, we are jarring tomatoes. And it's something that we do every year, and this year I wanted to document it because we're making memories. And so we'll take you through the process and see where it gets us.
This is called We're Making You More Culturally Aware.
Came true.
I told you, Noah.
There used to be a hole that I could throw them in.
Right.
Dad's getting the... What are you getting ready there?
Passamento.
The bus.
Il passamento.
There we go, yeah. And that's where we put the skins in, and it's like a juicer. We don't waste any part of the tomato.
Oh. All the juice. Where the money's made.
We just need 1 million followers, and then we'll be
Good, I get
good.
one, yeah.
I'm not sure.
My kids.
Just look when you're done.
You don't have to deal with all this bush. What do you do?
These are all the peels,
Oh, okay.
all the skin and the peels and the pores that we separate. Cutting. Know what's going
I can do
On Saturday.
I can put them in the bin, but we just can't.
So all those peels then go into this machine, and it separates the peels and cores from the juice. All of that, yeah. All that juice gets added to the sauce. So we waste not. We waste nothing of the tomato. You MacGyver the belt, and here we go. Here. Oh yeah, look at that action.
No, those are all done already.
They're dipped?
Yeah, there's no more over there. Okay.
No more to dip?
The process begins where we actually make the sauce.
In there is garlic, onion, celery. What else we got? Basil and parsley. That's the beginning part. Then we put oil like this.
I thought I shoot you already.
Olive oil, good olive oil.
I wish we had smell-o-vision. So good. There's nothing like fresh herbs.
From the garden?
No, all from the garden.
Homegrown.
Everybody, home and make. All right, next.
Okay, next we get the basil. That's it.
Nice.
Post that recipe.
And then
Oh, fantastic. Oh, nothing like it, guys. Oh, fantastic. Nice. Alright, so it can't be all work without a break, so this is what we do. We're having a little mid-afternoon break. Having a break.
We put it away.
Ryan.
I don't think I like you having it.
I guess.
I like when nobody knew how to use anything.
I know, right?
I don't know.
But you know me, I always had a camera or a video camera in my hand, right?
I thought it was yours, Joe.
I'm not saying it surprises me. I'm saying I don't like it.
I don't
like.
think it was mine.
But you're so photogenic.
Oh.
Yeah.
Chi è questo? Chi è questo? Che ti fai? Che ti fa? Chi è questo?
Io fanno film.
Ah, ti leave questo. Leave questo. Che ce la fa anche questa che? Oddio, mamma. Archiude questo.
Here we go with the final step. Some fresh seals into the rings from the jar. Very important. You also have to put a seal. Use old ones. Peace under.
I'll show you the final resting place.
That's right, the final resting place. Sometimes when they fill it a bit too much. Wow, look at that. Nice.
Okay.
That's half. That's only one. Oh, we're dodging the wall.
Those small one.
We're down to the last jar. Here we go. Wow, look at that.
Good.
Last one.
Yeah.
There we are. The 2020 jarring of tomato sauce season has officially come to an end. And the bounty was great. There's some. The rest are under that green jar. What's today on? 2020
2020.
tomato season.
I took a fat nap.
Yeah, thanks for your help.
Sorry.
And this is the reward at the end of a long day.
Bring it here. Yes, bring it here.
Si mangia lasagna stasera.
You can always.
That's okay, la rifacciamo tutti cucini. Ah, still watery.
It's okay.
Okay, everybody grabs a plate to come to you.
Sega, sega, Maestro Ciccio. Nasa, Ciccio. Una pietra di fave cotte, giga, mezza botta.
Well, today was our harvest day of the tomatoes and family day, actually. We inherited from our parents or grandparents, and we keep our tradition going, and we had lots of fun, lots of laughter, and lots of getting on each other's nerves. But we did it. We loved it. That's it.